Welcome everybody to another session of AMS, and in this session I'm briefing you how to create a periodic structure from space group information, how we can generate a slab model, and how we can generate a supercell. So let's start with the space group information. So in this there is a small pop-up window with various informations like the symmetry space group number, then the various data related to lattice parameters, then the coordinates. So I'm just creating a structure of titanium dioxide or rutile. So here I have already selected the tetragonal structure with the space group symmetry number 136, and now I'm adjusting the lattice parameters. So how to adjust as per the data? So now I'm resetting that parameters. Parameter A is equal to 4.59, then parameter C is equal to 2.96. Then I'm setting the coordinates. So if you click on the coordinate, it will show you default copper elements data with the site and all. So I am just changing it. If you click on that copper, it will open up the elemental tool. So first select titanium. Then, so in a book on the crystal structure, you can find that rutile has two sites occupied by titanium and on the site A. So I'm just selecting site A. And then the oxygen occupy F site. So then clicking on that elemental tool, I'm just changing it to oxygen. So it will occupy site F. So now both have been selected, and you can see that the codes column and the parameter column. So this site has an undetermined parameters x, which represents the symmetry line for the space group. So you can find that titanium dioxide where the x parameter is equal to 0.03. So I'm just selecting it as 0.3. So now I have cleared all those parameters, and I'm just applying that data. So it will pop up another window to map atoms to the unit cell. So I'm just giving the information. So now the structure has been created with space group. So now I'm just changing that to how to generate a structure from slab model. How we can generate a structure from slab model. So first I need to select a cubic, FCC from cubic. Just click on OK from the dialog window. So it will show you copper lattice. Let me maximize this thing. Yes. Okay. So now we will be generating a slab model. So to convert into a conventional cell of 3 layers, so I'm showing the slab model here. Click on generate. So now the slab model has generated. So it is taking some time to finish. So before proceeding to generate a supercell, we require a slab model. So now how we can generate a supercell? Select the structure tool, generate a supercell. So it will pop up a supercell with a 2x2 matrix with information. Just click on OK. So you can see that how a 2x2 matrix of supercell has been generated for copper atoms. So by this method, we can generate various crystal lattices or periodical structures with various parameters and all. So thank you.